Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past question 41. Factorize x squared plus 7x plus 10. A, x minus 5 in brackets multiplied by x minus 2 in brackets. B, x plus 5 in brackets multiplied by x plus 2 in brackets. C, x plus 5 in brackets. And D, x minus 5 in brackets multiplied by x plus 2 in brackets. So we have to factorize this equation, and this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. So we are asked to factorize this quadratic equation, and like you know, factorizing a quadratic equation simply means solving this equation, that is finding the value of x. And you know, when you find the value of x in a quadratic equation, you have what? Two values. So we have to factorize this equation. Let's divide our page to have enough space. Now we are given that x squared plus 7x plus 10. Now this is the quadratic expression, and we are asked to factorize this. Now for us to factorize this equation, we must look for a number which when added together will give you 7. That is, two numbers which when added together will give you 7, and then when you multiply these numbers they will give you 10. Two numbers that when you multiply together will give you plus 7, because this sign here really is really important. And when you also multiply will give you plus 10. Now let's start with 1. 1 plus 6 will give us 7, but 1 multiplied by 6 cannot give us 10, so it is wrong. Let's move to the next, which is 2. 2 plus 5 will give us 7. Now 2 multiplied by 5 will give us 10, so we pick 2 and 5. Okay, so therefore we have that x squared plus open brackets. Now we pick 2 and 5, that is 5 plus 2 close brackets x. Remember, we say that when we add the numbers together we'll get we'll get 7. So 5 plus 2 will give us 7, and when we multiply these numbers together it can also give us 10. So plus plus 10, because 5 times 2 will give us 10. And so therefore we have that x squared plus, now we're opening this bracket, 5 times x will give us 5x plus 2 times x will give us 2x plus 10. So we have that x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Now this is where the factorizations come into play. Now for us to factorize this, we will split this expression into two. The first part, which is this, and the second part, which is this. So we split it into two. Now let's start with the first part. This is the first part and this is the second part. Now for us to factorize this first part, we look for what can go into x squared and can at the same time go into 5x. And like you can, if you look at it deeply, you know that x can go into x squared, you have x, and can also go into 5x to have 5. Therefore you see x into brackets, x into x squared will give us x plus, and x into 5x will give us 5. Now we'll factorize the first part. If you open this bracket, you'll notice that you have the same thing that is here, in the sense that x times x will give us x squared, and x times 5 will give us 5x. So it's the same thing, we just factorize it. Now let's come to the second part that says 2x plus 10. Here also we'll look for what can go into 2x and can also go into 10. And if you look at it, 2 here we go into 2x and we also go into 10. So you have plus 2x into bracket. Now sorry, plus 2, like I said, 2 we go into 2x and also into 10. So it's 2 we are using, not 2x, sorry. So now we have plus 2 into bracket. Now 2 into 2x, you have you have x, and 2 into 10 you have 5. So therefore you have that 2 times x will give us 2x, and 2 times 5 will give us 10. So now you notice that the contents of these brackets are the same. Yes, when you're factorizing any quadratic expression, you must make sure that the contents of your brackets are the same. And when you get the contents the same, you now pick one of these brackets, that is x plus 5. So you say x plus 5, and then you pick the coefficient of these brackets, that is x plus 2. So this is a complete factorization of this quadratic expression, x squared plus 7x plus 10. Now let's go to the options and check which of these options correspond to our answer. A here says x minus 5, x minus 2, which is wrong. B here says x plus 5, x plus 2, which is correct. C says x plus 5, which is wrong. And D says x minus 5, x plus 2, which is wrong. So therefore, our answer is B, x plus 5, x plus 2. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.